All right, what up, y'all? It's Matt. So I'm taking apart this brake caliper on my four-wheeler here, going through the brakes, and I got a 2-minute tip for y'all that's gonna blow your mind. Check this out. All right, so what you do is you get your brake caliper, you get a bar, metal, a rag, something to stick in here. You get a little bit of compressed air. I got the rubber tip on here, and you stick it right in the hole, right? Don't put your fingers in front of it. Just like that, done, out. It's out, done. And now you can get in here, clean up, pop these seals out, clean them up, you know, get new ones, whatever you think you need. Get your piston, make sure there's no nicks on it, you know, rebuild it, clean it up, put it all back together, and you're done. So just make sure you don't put your finger in there because it's going to snap your finger. I mean, I had it, it'll shoot out, it'll launch out across the, you know, the shop floor. I mean, this thing will just right out. So be careful, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that because it was awesome. I saw it in the service manual and figured I'd share it with y'all. Just, you can do it on either side, but if you do it with it on the system, you know, I don't know, it may or may not work. I just took it off, and you can scale it up accordingly. So if you want to do it on like a truck or a car or something, it'll work on that too, I'm sure. But you're probably gonna have to rig up something with air fittings. That way, you know, it doesn't leak out. It puts way more pressure in there. All right, so next time you're working on brake calipers and you need to take the piston out, don't forget this trick because it could save you big time. I'm out for now, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below for more videos in the future. Peace.